How to create a Robinhood account. So if you want to create a Robinhood account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar, search for Robinhood, and here click on the first search which says robinhood.com. Now if you want to create an account, then you can go to sign up, which is on the upper right corner. And now to create your account, you have to first enter your first name and then your last name, and then you have to enter your email address here. And after entering your email address, you have to enter your password, like you have to create your password, and password must be at least 10 characters. And after entering the password, you have to simply click on continue. So let me tell you one thing, that this may not be available in some countries. So if it's available in your country, then simply enter your credentials and then you have to click on continue. And that's it. That's how you create a Robinhood account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.